हेलो एवरीवन। आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल अतुल एस वेपन में। So guys, today I am going to discuss about the capsule because this topic is just taken from the industrial pharmacy, and this will be very helpful for those students who are studying in B Pharma 5th semester or D Pharma students because it's a part of pharmaceutics. So, guys, if we will discuss about the capsule, so we need to know about the history of capsule. So this is the first one. This is the first slide. That is, if I will just discuss about the history of capsule, that where the things will start related to the capsule, we will discuss here. In 1730, the pharmacist D. Pauli from Vienna developed oval-shaped capsule for covering up the unpleasant taste of the poor turpentine used for the treatment of gout. So Mr. D. Pauli was the first who was using the capsule, and second in 1834 in the pharmacist Joseph Dublanc from Francois Mothes were granted patent which covered a method for the producing single piece olive shape gelatin capsule which were closed after filling by a drop of concentrated warm gelatin solution. So same thing when I will just heat in next step. So 1846, the Frenchman Jules Lehuby first suggests two-piece capsule. Actually, I will discuss in next slide. That is two things is there. First one is hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule, and what will happen with them. Then I will discuss each and everything. So guys, first to suggest two-piece capsule produced by dipping silver-coated metal pins into a gelatin solution and then drying them quickly. In 1931, the author Colton designed a machine to manufacture bodies and caps and fitted them to the formed hard gelatin capsule. So this was the normal history for the particular term capsule, and I want to tell you here one thing. That is, Arthur Colton was the first person who used the machine for the manufacturing of capsule. So he tried to make manufacturing process to be easy. That's why the Arthur Colton have the great role for the manufacturing of capsule. So, guys, first of all, we need note about the definition for the capsule. So, these are solid doses form in which the medication is enclosed within a gelatin cells. The medication may be a powder, a liquid, or a semi-solid mass. Capsules are usually intended to administer only by swallowing them whole. Occasionally, capsule may be administered rectally or vaginally. So, guys, here one thing I want to share with you: the capsule that's it made for the better patient compliance, and second one is it why we are using the capsule and why this is the solid doses form. So, guys, this is only we are filling here solid doses form because we are going to discuss about the hard gelatin capsule. So here one thing more, when I will go for the soft gelatin capsule, then I will study there have the semi-solid and liquid also be filled inside of that. So the thing is the capsule that is solid doses form, and it also made by the help with the help of gelatin shell, and in the gelatin cell filled the solid doses solid form or powder or pellets or anything much more. I will show in next slides. So what will be the raw material you can see here? So simply we will use gelatin and FD and D and C colorant, sugar, water. Simple is that here C and D, that is C is equal to colorant, and generally we are using here color, odor, preservatives, each and everything. So water will be 12 to 16%, may vary depending on the storage condition. Fifth one is sulfur dioxide, that will be the 15%. Prevent decomposition during manufacturing with the sulfur dioxide using as a preservatives. So colorant and opacifying agent, you know it very well. Opacifying agent, that's a it it made the things like transparent. So these are two types. First one is water soluble dyes and second one is pigments. So water soluble dyes, for example, erythrocene, and second one is pigment, iron oxide, titanium dioxide. So make the capsule opaque to provide protection against light. Seventh one is preservatives to prevent microbial growth during manufacture. So each thing, each ingredient, each contents, that's a very important for the study of capsule. Next one is diluents. Diluents, you know it very well. That students knows very well that's diluent. It increases the bulk of any product. So any drug. So lactose, mannitol, sorbitol, starch, etc. Lubricants and glidants, talc and magnesium. It increases the flow property of a particular powders, stearate and calcium stearate. So wetting agent, that will be sodium lauryl sulfate, disintegrants. It will use as a disintegrant, also anti-dusting agent, that is inert edible oil. So the next one is gelatin. It is a protein substance derived from collagen. One more thing I want to say and show something like if I will just discuss about the gelatin, that it will cover like manufacturing of gelatin and how it manufactured. So each and everything I will show in next slide. So it is the major component of the capsule. The reason for its that gelatin possesses five basic properties. First one, it should be non-toxic. Second one is soluble in biological fluids at body temperature. Third one is it is a good film forming material. Solution of high concentration, 40% weight by volume, are mobile at 50% degrees, 50 degrees centigrade. A solution in water changes from a salt to a gel at temperatures only few degrees above ambient. So gelatin have two types. First one is type A gelatin and type B gelatin. So obtained from bone. First, two things is there, that one gelatin that is obtained from bone, and second one is spark skin. So derived from alkali treated precursor type A and isoelectric point in the region of pH 59. So type B gelatin will be obtained from the pork skin and derived from the acid treated precursor isoelectric point in the region of pH 4.7. So in this slide, you can see that is the process of gelatin process. So dry bone, then we will just treated it 5% HCl, 10 to 15 days. Then again, it will treated by the lime, 10% 4 to 8 week, and lime will be removed. Then pH will be adjusted, and you can see here through the arrow that again hot water extraction filter vacuum concentration, cool to solidify, air dry, and melt to size. That will come into the form of gelatin. So next process, you can see here calf skin, that's simply wash with lime water and wash water. So again those process will be applied here. So next one is pork skin, that's also washed with the, that is treatment with the acid, that 1 to 5% HCl, 10 to 30 hours, and again remove the acid. Then it will come into the hot water extraction filter vacuum concentration, cool to solidify, air dry, and melt to size. So simply, yeah, major supplier of the gelatin, because this was the process of manufacturing of gelatin. But Eli Lilly and the company Indian Police in capsule gel. So these are the companies that is available in front of you. But Indian supplier is like Karishma Pharma Machine Mumbai, Healthy Life Pharma Private. So with the help of with the help of these companies, or with the connection of these company, you can easy to contact and easy to carry the capsule shell. So capsule, hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. So hard gelatin capsule, that is two-piece capsule, and soft gelatin capsule, that is one piece. You can see in the diagram, that's a very easy thing we have seen here. So hard gelatin capsule, that is first one is the longer part is equal to body and shorter part is equal to that is cap. So it will be cap and it will be body. Body always be longer. So hard gelatin capsule. So you can see here, this one is the cap and second one is the body. So it consists of two pieces in the form of cylinder, which is closed at one end and open from the other. The shorter piece cap and the longer piece will be body. The shell consists largely of gelatin, sugar and water. Capsule shell filling, typical filled with the dry solid, that is powders, solid granule, pellets, tablet and semi-solids. So fixed oil and other liquid that do not dissolve gelatin may be filled into hard gelatin. So here fixed oil and other liquid that do not dissolve gelatin may be filled into hard gelatin. capsule with a pipette or calibrated dropper. Then capsule are sealed dried, moisturizing the lower part of the cap with water. Liquids may often to sob onto inert carrier powder to form dry powder suitable for capsule filling. So it's simple thing, and what will be the capsule size? Though triple zero is it will fill like 1.37 ml, and the larger number it will be very little size. So the double zero, this is eight type of capsule sizes here. First one triple zero, double zero, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in first one 1.37, then 0.95, then 0.65. It should those students who are preparing for the GPAT, you must to remember it all. So next one is general characteristics of gelatin. First one is blueprint strength, gelling powder, viscosity, formability. So it's simply we can say here. Nextly, I will just discuss. So here each and everything we have shown, but is the measure of gelatin. Gelling powder, the strength will be simply 5 and 300 volumes per meter. That means it called you can say swelled up proportion for that one. Gelling powder, that means shell as like we will use gelatin as a gelling powder. So viscosity will be high, and formability you know it very well because in the pork skin grade it should have the very high formability. That's why we are using. Melting point, general characteristics of gelatin. So melting point, color and odor, conductivity and pH. pH will be conductivity, that means it should be that's a deiodized, and pH will be like one that's simply using pH meter on 1% solution, and typically for gelatin solution fall between pH 4.5 and 6.5. So manufacturing process. Here we will show the process of capsule shell production with the pin method. First one, the dipping process. These are the this we can say is this is the process that the spin is here, and that's dip into the solution, and again it will spin, and after that here it will be dried. Then again is dipping when because the gelatin will be covered this form, and again it will cut and come into the form of cap and body. So capsule filling machine, you can see here. So simply this is the large scale, and nextly I will show in the video. So it's a very simple company manufacturing filling like India, Police, Italy, German, Eli Lilly. I have discussed it previously. So next one is that's a very important, that is hand capsule filling machine. So bench scaling for small scaling, manual filling machine, industrial scale filling. So simple is that you can see this is the hand filling machine, that is bench scale filling. So here simply we are using the scraper, and again fill the powder, then push it, then simply is loading with the tray holes 200 to 300 in one time we can easy to win. So this is the hand operated machine, or then simply we can fill the uh, shell fitted here, and again through the powder tray and lever we are just filled the capsule again, that will come into the form of that one. Next one is this is industrial scale, and you can say semi-automatic. We can fill it here, and through this is the hopper. We will set up here, and again powder will be full. Then it will scrap out, and easy to get the capsule. So simple feature, that is semi-automatic, suitable for filling capsule of all size with powder, granule, and pellet. Minimizes operator attention and ensure maximum production. Choice of four adjust speed with the variable speed of filling. Auto drug hopper in feed mechanism reduces weight variation and improves productivity. Easy to maintain and clean, quality and precision. Manufacturer meets requirement of CGMP, both PLC controlled panel, and simple is that this will be the this will comes after the just when I will study about the semi-automated capsule machine. Then simply we can when we will watch the video regarding that, then you can easy to understand of that this one. So next one is this is the fully automated and fully this is the part of this machine: empty capsule hopper, rectifying roller, magazine cap, segment, body disc, powder. So body disc here, and simply you can say numbering is here, and according to the number that the part of this machine will be showing the sword here. So Nagli powder hopper. So next one is advantages. So what are the advantages of hard gelatin capsule? Easy to swallow, masking the capacity, production of medicament. Simple is that this is the objective, that is test mask testing. Taste, just that's covering it. It's cover the mask of uh, taste masking, you can say. So easy to handle and carry, different size and available. Products identification, provide enteric sustain and release effects. Moisture content, no need of complicated machinery, filling in compatible substance. So we can easy to manufacture. That's we can't say like it's a big deal. So problem in production, what type of problem will generate on the time of production? So extremely soluble drug, hygroscopic medicament, material is reactive to gelatin, large and crystal shaped powder, ingredients having different properties, low melting point of ingredients. So low density also, liquid material cannot be used. Encapsulation problems during the stability test, limited capacity of machine. So generally, if we will discuss about it also, capsule mainly we will manufacture by the taste masking, and after that it's easy to inhale, easy to administer. So this is the very beneficial, and it covers the noxious things for the particular of any API. So you know it very well. Two things is very important role, that is API and excipients. Through the API, and API will be the active drug, and second one is excipients, that's binder, color, preservatives we all are using here. So this was the process for the hard gelatin capsule. In next lecture we will discuss about the soft gelatin capsule. So thank you all guys, thank you so much, thank you so much. Those who are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe my channel. And when you will coordinate, and when you will help me, then again because with the help of your likes and subscription, it provide me the motivation to make new videos. So I request you all, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much, you all.